Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is adamant. It is pronounced ad-um-ment and spelt A-D-A-M-A-N-T. Think Adam like the name and then ant. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exams this year, we're here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshops. On weekends and over school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Adamant is an adjective that means refusing to be persuaded or to change one's mind. It's often used to describe someone who is very determined or unwavering in their beliefs or decisions. For example, you could say he was adamant about going to the park even though it was raining. Or she was adamant that she had seen a ghost even though no one believed her. The word adamant comes from the Greek word adamas, which means unconquerable or invincible. In the movie Brave, Merida is adamant about her desire to control her own destiny, and she learns to be true to herself while facing her own fears and obstacles. Synonyms for adamant include firm, unwavering, resolute, and insistent. Antonyms for adamant include flexible, yielding, compliant, and amenable. Impress your friends and family by using your newfound word today. Adamant. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.